Is he on the zigzags? I would imagine so. Half on the pavement, half in the cycle lane, and completely on the zigzags. Excuse me, mate. Is this your car? You know I'm going to report it, right? Do you know what the penalty is for parking on zigzags? 3 points, £100 fine on your license. You're on the zigzags. I'm going to report it. Do you know what this is?
Yeah, report it.
Very bad parking there. Very bad. Doba, doba, doba. It costs me very little, and it stops a bit of impatience. That one's holding a phone. The phone was held in his left hand, down by his left knee. White VW Polo, Alpha Foxtrot 16 Romeo Echo uniform. Sure are rolling along here. I can still see a little phone screen. It's now on his left thigh. I can hear a phone call. He was holding it when he came past me. Oh, I saw him pick it up and put it down again. Is he holding it? He's playing with something. I saw it. I saw you holding and using your phone.
I wasn't using my phone.
Well, the screen was lit up. Anyway, it's pretty bad. You came past me holding it in your left hand.
I wasn't using it.
Carry on. The screen was lit up. I'll be reporting it to the police. I'm sure he noticed that he had my attention. That's why he hid it between his legs and turned it off. Have a nice day now, will you?